In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Uber account. So if you want to delete your Uber account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Uber application. You can see over here, Uber application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is tap on the option settings. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. Out of these options, tap on this option privacy that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options related with your privacy over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for account security. Tap on this option account deletion that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to delete your account, but in order to request the deletion, what you have to do is verify your identity. So tap on this option accept that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the code will be sent to your email. Simply see the notification and tap on the notification of the Gmail, or open the Gmail application and open the email sent by the Uber. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. You can memorize this code or you can also copy it. Now go back to the Uber application. Now enter your code. Now after you do that, the 4-digit code will also be sent to your phone number. So what you have to do is simply check your SMS and enter the code over here. Right now Uber does not accept the phone number of my reason, so I am not being able to receive the code. But what you have to do is simply enter the code over here. After you do that, simply follow through the prompts in order to verify your account. After the verification is completed, you'll be able to proceed to request for deletion, provide all the information and finally request for the deletion. After you do that, Uber will look into your request and your account will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete Uber account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.